Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for chicken francaise. It's so delicious and so easy. It was requested, so let's get started. So what you'll need is some white wine, flour, eggs, chicken broth, garlic powder, parsley, lemon juice, salt and pepper, some butter, and thinly cut chicken breasts or cutlets. You'll also need some olive oil and a large skillet. So the first thing you're going to do is take your flour and put it in something that you're going to be using to dip the chicken in. Add the garlic powder, a pinch of salt and pepper, and you're just going to mix it until it's combined. So next you're going to take your eggs and crack the eggs into a dish. Add some salt and pepper. Give that a quick mix. The next step is to take your chicken breasts or chicken cutlets and you're going to dredge it inside the flour. Shake off the excess. Dip it into the egg. And lay it onto a plate. So next you're going to take some olive oil and put a couple of tablespoons in the skillet. My flame is on a medium heat and you want it nice and hot. So once your skillet is nice and hot, you're going to take your chicken cutlets and put them into the skillet, and you're going to let this fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on both sides or until golden brown. So now the chicken is nice and golden, you're going to remove it. And set it off to the side. So next you're going to put in your chicken broth in the same skillet, your wine, lemon juice, parsley, just half of the parsley, some salt and pepper. Now my skillet is still on a medium high flame, and you're going to cook this until it's reduced to half. So now that the sauce has thickened and it reduced, you're going to be placing your butter inside the pan. And you're going to let that melt. So once the butter is melted, you're going to place the chicken back inside your skillet. And you're going to let this cook another couple of minutes on each side. So the chicken has been cooking and it's now done, and I need to try a piece. Get some extra sauce. So I'm going to be cutting a piece to try it out. So nice and tender. And here you have it, chicken francaise. It's so delicious, so easy to make. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.